Hey all! Budgeting for food with a student's near-empty wallet is much easier said than done. Frankly, before this year, the closest thing I'd ever done to budgeting for food was figuring out how many custard donuts I could snag from the Co-op for under £5. It's all been quite a shock for a person who would much rather be spending that extra cash on their eBay addiction rather than nourishment. I mean, who needs food anyway? Nevertheless, there's simply no way to keep up this magnificent physique without eating healthily. I mean, check out dem abs. So this begs the question, where are the best places for a student to get food without breaking the bank or dying of scurvy? Well, as a seasoned patron of their wonderful snacks, the Co-op usually have special offers on which sometimes drastically lower the price of Star Wars themed cereal from £2 to as little as £1. Now, if that isn't a mighty fine bargain, I don't know what is. However, they're not great for a general shop. For getting your general goods from bread to Batman Lego, I'd argue one of the best places to get yourself down to would be Asda. From personal experience, I've saved the most money by shopping there, and their stores are generally quite huge, so they definitely have a lot of variety. Of course, there are also stores such as Lidl, which are very, very cheap. However, my only concern with them is that I don't understand any of the flipping product names. Yeah! What on earth is a Schlockeraid? In terms of what to buy, of course, instant noodles are the preferred choice of a student. Well, this student at least. But you can't just completely rely on those. I knew a guy who tried, and his fingernails started to fall off. Lovely. Make sure you always buy fruit and veg. Don't be like my best pal and mate Igor. We walked in on him eating plain rice from a pan. I'd never seen a sadder sight. Also, never let your roommate steal your plates. Good food isn't necessarily expensive. Just look at recipes of things you like to eat and get the ingredients. Just avoid anything like caviar. Also, always make sure you have the essentials like bread and milk. Always comes in handy. Well, there's a few words of wisdom from this guy. Any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you later!